Hello friends and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. You guys, I am so excited for this video. Yesterday was Friendsgiving and my heart is so full and so happy. But now that Friendsgiving is officially over, it's time to get rid of all of the pumpkins and bring on the Christmas movies, the Christmas music, all the Christmas trees and all the decorations for the house. They're coming in. I am so excited. Also on Wednesday, I have a nail appointment and we're gonna do something really fun and Christmassy on my nails. I am so excited. So I'm gonna bring you guys along to that appointment with me. And if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more Vlogmas videos. I cannot believe we're already on day 7. We're doing the 12 days of Vlogmas and we're already on day 7. How did that happen? I don't know, but it has been so much fun already. And honestly, we're gonna jump into some matching holiday Christmas jammies because Liv has just decided that every time we decorate a tree, we need to wear our matching Christmas jammies. And honestly, I'm here for it. Like when I dreamed of having children back in the day, like this is the dream. Like doing the holidays and having so much fun together, listening to Christmas music. I think we're gonna turn on White Christmas because that is the dream. You know what I mean? Like I just remember watching White Christmas with my aunt and my cousins doing the thing and I love it so much. So, all right, without further ado,
I love White Christmas!
we love White Christmas! We're gonna jump into some holiday cheer. We're getting into the holiday spirit.
We're gonna decorate a tree!
The tree, I can't wait. Tree number 3. Liv has decided that we need a tree in the kitchen and I feel like we need that too. So we just need to find a tree and then we'll have 4. We can decorate another tree. But for now, this is our last tree. So we gotta get rid of all these pumpkins and bring in the tree. Let's do it. All right, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let's jump into Vlogmas Day 7. All right, you guys, so we are on our way to the nail salon right now. I also have to run into Target and Bath & Body Works, so we will see how fast I can get there because I have 20 minutes to shop and I have to get my nail appointment done and then I have to go back and pick up Liv from Tiny Tots. Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. So I think for nails, we're gonna do something really fun, like lots of sparkle red, maybe some chrome gold. I'm hoping for like candy cane stripes and like a snowflake somewhere. I just don't know like what my nail lady's gonna do. So let's go. All right, you guys, we got all of the things done that we needed to do done. I'm so proud of myself. We have to go pick up Liv right now. My nails are like Christmas magic. Also, I found the perfect candle. I feel like I already have these, but the smoked vanilla whiskey, I'm pretty sure I already have these at home, but I love them so much. And I found them in the wallflowers. So your girl is a happy girl. I'm so happy right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, I will show you guys my nails later. We have to decorate the coffee cart. We are in Christmas cheer. We're gonna light some candles when we get home. Let's put on a Christmas movie. Let's light some Christmas candles. Let's decorate a little bit more. All right, you guys, I gotta go pick up Liv right now. All right, you guys, we are back. We got our nails done. They are a little wild for me, like super wild for me, but I'm embracing it and I love it and we're just gonna roll with it. But the very last piece of this, like getting into the Christmas spirit, we're gonna turn on White Christmas and do a little bit more decorating in the living room, like put the stockings up and play around with that. I will probably rearrange the living room like 10 times before I get it right. This year I'm just really feeling like very minimalist. Like I wanna take everything down and just, I don't know, I want just like minimalist this year. But something that gets me in the Christmas spirit like immediately, my Christmas trees with the twinkle lights and my coffee cart. My coffee cart, and I got some really cute stuff for my coffee cart this year because if you guys have been following along, you know I used to have shelves above here, but when we redid the kitchen, we lost my shelves. So now I've got some new things. So we're gonna do the coffee cart. You guys, this mug I got last year on Etsy and it's so beautiful. I love it so much. I will try to find it and link it again for you guys because it is so good, so beautiful. I did put my Yeti mag slider top on because I like it better than the one it came with, but the mug itself is amazing. So beautiful. You just like, oh my gosh, you can't, you know what I'm saying? So pretty. Love. If you guys saw my short that I had posted like a month ago almost, I found this cute little red coffee canister at TJ Maxx and this little guy at Target in the Hearth and Home section. And so what I think I'm gonna do is this one says Merry and I'm gonna have this one say and bright and I'm gonna make it gold glitter. It's gonna be super cute. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys wanna see how I'm gonna do that. If you guys wanna do like a little Christmas craft project together, we could do that together because I haven't quite figured out how I'm gonna make that happen. But for now, I just washed them out and we're gonna put our coffee in here, decaf in the little one, regular in the big one.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and
Pete's Holiday Roast, an absolute must. And before I realized I had SIBO gut issues, I got this guy. And I desperately want to try it because who doesn't love peppermint mochas? I do an Americano with just like a little bit of peppermint. It's amazing. I love it. So I might be brave and try it. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, we've got our holiday coffees, so I'm super excited to bust those out as soon as these ones are gone. Bring a little bit of Christmas to the front of that.
I've been wrapping presents for you.
What can we put here? Okay, we need like a sign and some Christmas stuff, so let's go find some stuff.
To come back home to me, and when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
I don't love it right now, but that's okay. We have plenty of time. I just don't have, like, I'm used to having shelves where I put signs and twinkle lights, and so I didn't have to do a ton to the coffee cart last year, and I thought that this was gonna be enough, and it just looks really empty. So I'm gonna show you what I have, and then I also decorated right over here. It took like 2 seconds, but it's absolute perfection. I love it. So let me show you that. This corner is giving me all the beautiful vibes that I'm going for. I love it so much.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Guys, that's it for today's video. We are in full Christmas cheer here. I absolutely love waking up to my Christmas lights every morning. If you guys do not have the smart plugs that you can like put on timers and have schedules so that your Christmas lights turn on before you wake up in the morning, I will link some below because you guys, that just makes a little extra magic in the morning when you wake up and the Christmas tree is on. You've got your nice cup of coffee, twinkle lights are already on. You won't regret it, I promise. I love them so much. Twinkle lights bring all the holiday vibes to this girl in this house. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to come back for Vlogmas Day 8. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.